Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty Girls Crack. How are you, friends? I hope all of you are fine and fit. Today I'm here to show you very trendy, gorgeous, stunning, and stylish pixie haircut ideas. These hairstyles are ideal for summer season. If you're an office woman or a business girl, then these ideas will help you a lot to look different and gorgeous. You will get amazing ideas for haircuts and haircut as well. You can choose hairstyle according to your personality and according to your choice, and you can visit salon to style your hairs with different hair shades or hair colors and with different unique haircuts, which I will show you in this video. So watch this video till the end so you can get amazing ideas from this video. Styling short haircuts offers versatility and a chance to express personal flair. Here are some tips for styling your short haircuts. Firstly, the first tip is texture and layers. You need to embrace the natural texture of your hair. And the second tip is that you have to consider adding layers for a movement and dimension. And second tip is the pixie cut. Use styling products for a messy textured look and tussle the hair with your fingers for a casual vibe. Bob cut. Curl the ends inward or outward for variety, and straighten for a sleek and polished appearance. And another short hair cut idea is the bangs. Style bangs according to your face shape, swept to the side, blunt or textured. Use a round brush while blow drying for a smooth finish. Pompadour or quiff. Apply styling pomade or wax for height and hold. And you can also use comb or fingers to shape the top of your hairs. Undercut. Undercut experiment with designs or patterns on the shaved portion, and this style the longer section with gel or mousse. Another styling idea which you can choose is the accessories such as headbands, scarves or hairpins you can add in your hairs, which will add a chic touch. You can also experiment with different accessories that complement your hairstyle. Styling products. Always you have to choose lightweight products like texturing spray or mousse for the volume for your hair. Hairsprays or styling gel can provide hold and definition to your hair. To beautify your hairs, you can also choose the beachy waves, which is a very different and unique idea. Achieve a relaxed look with the sea salt spray. Scratch the hair or use a wand for loose waves. And then finger waves is another tip which you can use to your hairstyle. Create vintage inspired waves for a glamorous look. Use styling gel and your fingers to form the waves. Color essence. Color essence is another tip which you can use for to style your hairs. Experiment with bold colors or highlights which will add interest to your hair. Ombre and balayage can enhance the depth of your short hairstyles. These hairstyles are very in fashion which you can choose for your hairs. And then maintenance is the most important part of your hairs. You have to regularly trim and maintain the shape and freshness of the cut is the most important and crucial part to style your hairs. Keep the neckline clean for a polished appearance is also helpful to style your hairs. Updos. Even short hair can be styled into simple updos. Use bobby pins or hair ties to create a stylish up style. Remember that to tailor your styling routine to your hair type and personal preferences. Short haircuts can be as versatile as longer styles, allowing for creativity and individual expression. I hope by watching this video you will get amazing ideas. If you like my video, then please share it with your friends and family members. I will always try to bring very useful and updated content for you. If you like my video, then please hit the like button. And if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. And thanks for watching my video and keep connecting to my channel. Keep supporting me by subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to comment me in the comment box